Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the trim command in AutoCAD. The trim command is one of the most frequently used editing tools in AutoCAD because it allows you to quickly remove unwanted portions of objects. Whether you're cleaning up intersections, shortening lines, adjusting boundaries, or refining a drawing, the trim command helps create precise and professional geometry. In modern versions of AutoCAD, trimming has become much faster and easier than before. Instead of always selecting cutting edges first, you can often simply activate the command and click the portions you want removed. The trim command is an editing tool that removes unwanted portions of drawing objects. What can be trimmed? You can trim many types of objects, including lines, polylines, arcs, circles, splines, hatch boundaries, and construction geometry. Why trimming is important? Trimming helps clean up drawings, remove excess geometry, create accurate intersections, improve drafting precision, and prepare drawings for printing and documentation. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing you want to edit. Look at the objects in your drawing. Instead of redrawing objects, trim allows you to remove only the unnecessary portions. Go to the command line and type trim. Then press enter. The trim command becomes active. AutoCAD is now waiting for you to identify the portion of geometry you want to remove. Click on the object segment you want to remove. AutoCAD removes the selected portion of the object up to the nearest boundary or intersection. Result: the unwanted section disappears while the remaining geometry stays intact. Example: imagine two lines crossing each other. If one line extends beyond the intersection point, you can click the excess portion and AutoCAD removes it automatically. Without trim, you might have to erase the entire object, redraw it, and recreate dimensions. Trim allows precise editing with a single click. What are cutting edges? Cutting edges are objects that define where trimming stops. Examples include lines, arcs, polylines, and boundaries. In many recent AutoCAD versions, all visible objects can automatically act as cutting edges without requiring you to select them first. While the trim command remains active, continue clicking other unwanted segments. Once all necessary trimming is complete, press enter or just escape to end the command. Result: your drawing is now cleaner and more precise. The remaining geometry fits together more accurately. Common uses of trim. Trim is frequently used for floor plans, mechanical parts, site layouts, electrical diagrams, and structural drawings. Most technical drawings contain many intersecting objects. Trim allows those intersections to be cleaned up quickly and accurately. Additional tip: if you accidentally trim the wrong object, use Ctrl+Z to undo the last action. What you just accomplished: you activated the trim command, selected unwanted geometry, removed excess object portions, improved drawing accuracy, and cleaned up intersections and boundaries. Why trim is one of AutoCAD's core commands. Nearly every professional AutoCAD project uses trim because precise geometry often requires removing excess lines and adjusting intersections. To summarize, using the trim command in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and typing trim into the command line. After pressing enter, the trim command becomes active. You can then simply click on the portion of the object you want to remove, and AutoCAD trims it back to the nearest cutting edge or boundary. This process can be repeated for multiple objects until the drawing is cleaned up and refined. Once finished, pressing enter exits the command. And that's how to use the trim command in AutoCAD. Trim is one of the most essential editing tools because it allows you to remove unwanted geometry quickly while preserving the parts of the drawing you want to keep. Mastering trim will make your drafting workflow significantly faster and more accurate. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.